Regarding a fire alarm system that is not required for a specific building type but is currently not functioning, specifically in Chicago, Illinois, here's what to consider. The Chicago Building Code, specifically Section 13.101-111, addresses existing fire alarm systems that are not mandated by the code. According to this section, such systems must either be maintained in good working order or, if they are not properly maintained, they must be removed. Essentially, if the fire alarm system is not required, the building owner has two options. Firstly, keep the system operational and in good repair, or secondly, completely remove the system. The code does not mandate replacement of a non-required system. The primary concern revolves around the system's functionality and potential impact on the building's safety and operation. If the system, despite not being required, is functioning correctly and provides a benefit, it can be maintained. However, if the system is malfunctioning, causing false alarms or other issues, and is not being properly maintained, the code stipulates that it should be removed. This is to prevent unnecessary disruptions and potential confusion or panic caused by a faulty system. A key consideration is the term good working order. This implies that the system must be fully functional, regularly inspected, and properly maintained. If the system is not meeting these standards, it is considered not to be in good working order. The age of the system, in this case around 30 years, is also relevant. Older systems are more prone to malfunctions and may be difficult to maintain due to obsolete parts or lack of technical support. In such instances, maintaining the system in good working order may not be feasible. In that case, removal would be the appropriate course of action. It's important to understand that the code doesn't force the removal or replacement of a non-required system simply because it's old. The trigger for removal is the system's inability to be maintained in good working order. If the system is old but still functions correctly and can be reliably maintained, it can remain in place. However, if the system is causing problems, it should be removed. Removing the system involves disconnecting it from the building's power supply and completely removing all components, including control panels, detectors, and notification appliances. This ensures that the system cannot inadvertently activate or cause further issues. If a building owner chooses to remove a non-required fire alarm system, it is crucial to ensure that the building still meets all other applicable fire safety requirements. This may include maintaining adequate fire extinguishers, ensuring proper fire-rated construction, and implementing a comprehensive fire safety plan. It is always advisable to consult with a qualified fire protection engineer or local fire marshal to ensure full compliance with all applicable codes and regulations. This consultation can help determine the best course of action for a specific building and its unique circumstances. The decision to maintain, remove, or replace a non-required fire alarm system should be based on a thorough assessment of the system's condition, functionality, and potential impact on building safety. While the Chicago Building Code provides specific guidance, professional consultation can ensure the most appropriate and code-compliant solution. Furthermore, it's important to note that even if the building type does not require a fire alarm system, there may be other relevant codes or standards that apply. For example, accessibility requirements may mandate certain notification appliances for individuals with disabilities. It's crucial to consider all applicable regulations when making decisions about fire safety systems. In summary, if a fire alarm system is not required, you don't have to remove it unless it is not working correctly. Chicago Building Code Section 13.101-111 states the alarm has to be maintained in good working order or removed. So, the important part is making sure it's functional. If you don't take it out, remember to ensure the safety in other ways, like having fire extinguishers and fire safety plans. If in doubt, a fire protection engineer can help. Consider accessibility needs too when handling these systems.